Good morning, students of class 5. Today we are going to start the second chapter of maths. The first chapter is already the revision of your earlier class so that you can revise, and I will be starting from large numbers, the second chapter, and all of you be ready with your copy and pen and also with your textbooks, because you have to do the exercises and sums from the textbook. So you have already studied the Indian and international system of numeration of numbers. You know what are large numbers. What do you mean by large numbers? Large numbers are those numbers which have the digits more than 3 or 4 digits, maybe more than 5 digits, where the digits are too many, suppose 7, 8, 9, 10 digits. So that number which is made up of so many number of digits is known as large numbers, because there are more than 5 or 4 digits. So that is large numbers. Till now in large numbers we have studied the Indian and international system of numeration till lakhs, and in international system till millions. Here we will study in Indian system from crores, after that lakhs we have crores, and in international system after millions we have crores. We have billions. So here on the board you find that there are two forms of writing the numbers, large numbers. One form is Indian system, which we follow in India. Another international system, the whole world follows the international system. So I have taken two different numbers and placed them in the place value chart. You know what is the place value chart? Place value chart is dividing the digits of the numbers into its places. Every digit has a certain place. Suppose you are an individual, you are having a particular house of your own. So your place is your home address. If anybody asks about you, where do you stay, you will give that in so and so place I stay. Similarly, if a number, you are writing a large number, if I ask you, find out the place of the digit in the particular number. Now how will you specify that digits? For that purpose only the naming of the digits or naming of the number is given as per the Indian and international system. In Indian system, the naming is done as per the periods, division of the digits into the periods. These are we call as the periods: ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. These are the 4 periods according to which the numbers are divided into the groups. Ones period consists of 3 groups or 3 digits, or group of 3 digits, that has ones, tens and hundreds. Thousands period is divided into 2 digits of 2 different places, thousands and 10,000. Lakhs period consists of 2 places, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Crores, the period of crores consists of 2 different places, crores and 10 crores. So all these contribute to periods. Now what is the necessity of dividing the numbers into various groups or periods? Why do we divide? What is the necessity? Because until and unless you divide the digits into various groups or periods according to a conventional pattern, so that everybody can follow that, you won't be able to specify the place of the digit, and also you won't be able to identify the number, whether it is in the Indian system or international system. Suppose according to the periods I am putting down the comma. Suppose after the ones period I have put a comma, after the thousands place I have put a comma, after the lakhs place I have put a comma. That means after 3 digits I am putting a comma, after 2 digits I am putting a comma, here again after 10 lakhs I am putting a comma, after 10 crores I am putting a comma. So in this way I am dividing the particular large number into various groups, and accordingly I am putting the comma. So just seeing the commas, you will be able to identify that in the Indian system the commas are placed in this way according to this period. This is the first, second, third, fourth period. 4 periods are there. Ones, tens, lakhs, crores. 4 periods are there. Accordingly I am dividing the number into 4 different periods, and accordingly I am putting the comma. So this will let you know that the number is written in Indian system. For this purpose only we are using, or we specify the periods, or we group the numbers. Until and unless I group the numbers, if I write down like this, will you be able to identify that in which system it is written? No, whether it is an Indian system or whether it is an international system, you won't be able to identify. So that is the purpose of dividing the number into periods and henceforth putting the commas. Is it clear? Now we are moving to the international system. In the international system, we have the periods as ones, thousands, millions, billions. Each period is divided into 3 digits. After every 3 digits, we are putting a comma. So here, this ones period consists of, this is the ones period, we are putting the comma. This is the thousands period, we are putting the comma. This is the millions period, we are putting the comma, and this is the billions period, we are putting the comma. So in this way, we are writing the number as like this. This is the number written in the international system. See the difference between the two numbers. Here after 3 digits I have put the comma, okay fine. But here after 3 digits I have put the comma, whereas in Indian system after 2 digits I put. So here the periods are equally divided into 3 groups. Now this will, by seeing the number you can say that this is written in international system, and hence you can write down, or you can verbally write down in words, or verbally say that it is 816 billion 432 million 5,000 500,000 580,000 and 397. So in this way, again I am repeating it, 816 billion 432 million 580,000 397. In this way we are specifying this in words. This is in international. Okay, so the two large numbers I have shown. And how do you write down, how do you say in this words? This is 43 crores 25 lakhs 80,397. So this is in words. In this way, both the numbers I have given you the difference between the large numbers, writing down numeration in figures as well as in words, and specified them in the two system. And now you have to, I will tell one more thing, that is expanded form. What do you mean by expanded form? Expanded form, that means you are writing down the number in the in elaborate way, that is 43 crore, or you can say 4, what is the place value of 4? That is crores, 10 crores. That means how many zeros will be there? Writing, starting from here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 zeros. So 8 zeros. So 1 followed by 8 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 40 crore. Add 3 crore. 3 followed by 7 zeros. Then 20 lakhs. 2 followed by 20 plus 5 lakhs. 1 followed by 5 zeros. Then 80,000. 8 followed by 4 zeros. Then this is 0 followed by any number of zeros. It becomes 0. But still I am writing down to specify this place value. So this is the digit and this is the place value. This is the digit and this is the place value of the number. This is the digit and this is the place value of the number where it is situated. So I am multiplying the digit with its particular place value to write down in the expanded form. Then again 300.